Assign operators are used to assign values to variables. For example, equal, assign the values on the right hand side to the variable on the left hand side. Python also provides compound assign operators which perform an operation and assign the result to the variable and on step. And the first one is add an assignment. The second one is subtract an assignment. And the third one is multiplication and assignment. And the fourth one is divided an assignment or division an assignment. Is modulos and assignment. And the seventh one is exponent and assignment. And before you write the code, and you can try to run if your code is corrected. Okay, after you write the code, and let's try to run if the code will be perfect and the result is good. Thank you.